Welcome everyone, back with another video on investing with fours. Today we're going to talk about my portfolio update. Now I'm trading around $1,300 and $17.95. So that's actually pretty good. So I'm getting way over my $1,000 range, which is looking good. I'm actually happy for that. I added some more bonk crypto to my just to this for like a gamble hedge for the crypto. So only about $50 worth, but as you can see I'm down. Well, my total return is down 11%. So we'll see how it does. I put in 50 and I'll probably put another 50. My goal is probably put between 500 to 1,000 in this play and see how I can make some quick gains in the next year. This is not a long-term hold. This is just quick, easy money, like a gamble, like options trade, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I just play this with the crypto market. So my portfolio is performing pretty well. A little upset that I don't have any more ticker symbol YMAX, YMAX, trading around $13.35. I would like to add more because I only have over 3 shares, and this fund is actually paying me pretty decent. I just got another weekly dividend payout of 70 cents, so I've been averaging around 70 to 75 cents per week. That's actually pretty good. I haven't bought none in a while. This is more of a risky high dividend play, but as you can see, I've been consistently getting 61 cents, 75 cents, so a little bit over 50%, 50 cent to between 50 cent to 75% is what I've been averaging weekly, and I only have 3.8 shares. So I'm definitely looking to grab more because my goal is to get, I want to get over $1 coming in consistent weekly, $1 to $10, and then I know, okay, I always start small. And I get that $1 to $10. And then, okay, now where else can I go with this? Maybe let's go to $20 a week. So I'm going to play this fund very well. Another fund I'm really liking, I'm actually down on this play, and that's ticker symbol MSTY. And it's now trading around $21.16. I got an average cost of $22.02. I'm down 3.91%. So, but this fund pays out monthly and it's pretty decent. So it's not, I won't say I want to hold this for like a long term. We'll just see how this performs, but I just gotta keep a close eye on this stock, on this ETF. And I just got a recent payout of $9.05. That's actually pretty decent. And then the one before that was let's see what I got before that. I don't think it was much there. Yeah, so it was $3.28. So not too bad for a monthly dividend growth in this individual account. I like this ETF. It's not financial advice, but this is what I'm liking. And one of my favorites, and I know this is a high dividend ETF too as well, is ticker symbol ULTY. It's trading around $6.17. I got 58 shares, market value of 359. My goal is to get 100 shares, to 1,000 shares, but I'm almost getting close to 100 shares. I got almost 60 now. I got doing pretty good on this ETF. Total return, it's up over 1.87%, and it's actually I got another payout this week for $3.98. So this is paying me way over $1. I'm averaging around $4 a week. That's really not too bad at all from what I see. This is weekly income for me actually doing nothing. So I'm gonna keep building this play out and see how it performs over the years. And then my goal is to try to get 500 a week from this play to 1,000 a week. I'm just trying to match what I can be making, be working at a part-time job or a full-time job. So I'm just gonna keep building until I reach that goal. If the fund keeps dropping, what I'm gonna do is stop recurring. I'm gonna stop setting up and rebuying this ETF, and I will buy switch over and just start buying great quality ETFs for like long term, because I'm gonna still get paid for this fund. I'll just use that to just keep buying other funds. So I won't just keep buying the same fund if it tends to tank or go down. So that's my goal for this play. Now that's for what I'm looking at long term for these high dividend plays. This is more a high dividend portfolio, and the only really good companies that I have in here is VT, Vanguard Total World Stock ETF, and I'm surprised I only put $1 in because I know that I want to build this out to get at least one share. And this was like one of my great foundations to this high dividend portfolio, and of course QQQ as well. So these are going to kind of hopefully stabilize this portfolio, so you won't always seeing it going down in the negative, or my portfolio just taking a beating. So I got VT, and then I got ticker symbol JEPQ. This is a lot of people talk about this ETF, so this is one that I'm just gonna hold this portfolio together to as well. So I really need to focus on getting, start building this play out. I need to start getting, one, just always try to just get me one or two and just go from there. But I want to make sure this portfolio stays stabilized, paying me weekly dividends and monthly dividends too as well. So, because my goal is to grow this portfolio massively and be able to live and retire off of this portfolio. And this is not even my IRA account that I'm building out as well. This is just my individual account. And I'm trying to get so many different eggs in different baskets, so I could be able to retire with early, and and just live and travel the world and just enjoy life. And that's what it's all about. You don't want to live and work like in the Matrix, work like a worker bee all your life, and just break your back. Who want to keeps doing that? So those are the plays that I'm really focused on in this growth portfolio. I'm glad I hit over my $1,000 mark. Everything's starting to go pretty smooth. I like the way this portfolio is going. I'm looking at other stocks and ETFs too as well, and I'm trying to just really focus, getting at least I get at least 1 or 2 shares of the ones I have. And my goal is, from what I learned, to try to get 100 to 125 shares at least minimum to 1,000 shares of each play. It was a great quality stock or ETF, and that's how you really build long-term wealth. So comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts on this portfolio. Let me know if you have any additional plays. What plays do you like? What ETFs do you like? Please let me know. And thanks again, everybody, for watching Investment Force. I'm out. Peace. Have a good one.